Hello guys, welcome to OctaCoder. Today we are going to learn how to create this gold color glowing button, and you will learn how to create this circular line with the explanation of the whole code. So watch now. Let's open the Visual Studio Code. So this is a sample HTML structure. So let's give the name glowing gold color button. Save this file, and here inside the body tag we just need the anchor tag, and let's give the octacoder. Now let's give the href link. So let's go for now hashtag. Save this file. I'm gonna use the live server here. So open this file on the open with live server. I have already installed this live server extension in Visual Studio Code, so you can also install it and open with live server. Let's make it side by side so you can see what's going on. So here I'm going to use internal style CSS because we are going to use only CSS. The HTML part is not much, just anchor tag and some spam tag. So I'm gonna use the internal style CSS here inside the style tag like this. Let's give the color for the body. I want background color black. Save this file, Control S, and then this is live server, so it auto reload here whenever I save the file inside the Visual Studio Code. So let's decorate the anchor tag now. The position relative, let's take it position relative, display inline block. Let's give the color. I have the hash code of the color because I already tried that, so I'm gonna directly use the hash code for the gold effect. So this is the hash code. If I save this, it will reflect here. You can see the gold color. So let's make this octacoder to the center. So you can see here. You can use margin here also, but I'm gonna use with the position. So I'm just gonna give the top 200 pixel. Save this. So yeah, see it's coming down. So let's give the 250. Okay, this is great. So let's give the left 43%. You can use the percent as for the left. Okay, it's looking in the middle now. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. So let's give some padding, 15 pixel and 25 pixel. Save this. I'll show you how is that become background color green. Now you will understand. So that's why I have given the padding, because when you will be hover, so this part will be the glow. So that's why I have given the padding. So we don't need the background color here. So let's remove the underline now. Text decoration, we don't need it. Save this file. So this is the underline will be gone. So now let's make the text in capital letters to uppercase. So the property is text transform uppercase. So see, you can see, so the word will become in the uppercase. Let's give some letter spacing 4 pixel, little bit suitable. Save this file. See, now it's looking really great. So the normal anchor tag style CSS we have given. So let's give when the mouse will be go on this button, so it will be glow. So for that, let's give the anchor tag hover. This is the way we give the on hover style CSS. Let's give background same. We are going to use this same color for when the hover will happen. It will be color in the gold. So I have a hashtag, or you can just copy this also. Same, this color and this background color is same, or you can just copy this whole color and paste it here. It is the same F7 F0 A8. Save this file. Now let's check. See, on hover it is coming the background color. We can't see the color, so let's give the color black, so you can read the letter. Yeah, see, we can read it now. Let's give font because the font is not good, so let's make it bold. Yeah, now we can read it here also. Make it font weight bold. Now it's good. Let's give some border because this is not good. Let's give some border for that. Border radius, let's give 5 pixel. See, little, this is nice. Don't give a lot, like 10 pixel. This is not good UX for the UX design. This is just great for 5 pixel. So now we have done, so we just need the shadows. So for that, let's give the box shadows. So here I'm gonna use this box shadow for 2 pixel, and I'm gonna use the color is same. Let's save. Still is not glowing because we just gave the one side box shadow. So let's give 0 0 10 pixel, and then we have to give the comma. So let's give all. This is A. See, it's looking great now. Still, let's make it little blur more. Now let's see. Yeah, it's looking nice now. So the normal button is done. So now we just need to add the lines that circulated like this circular. So for that, here we need some spam tag inside the anchor tag. So let's make the spam tag span. Just copy. We need the 4 spam tag because they circulate like this and these rotating. So we need 4 times. So just declare the spam tag. Don't write inside anything. So let's give the style for the spam tag. It's inside the anchor tag, so we need the anchor tag and then span. Then let's give position absolute and display block, so it will not go here anywhere the span tag lines. That's why display inline block, display the block. So there are 4 span tag we have given. So let's give the first span tag anchor tag, then span, and these are the, we can give it like this, and child first. For the first span tag we can give the style CSS like this. Let's give width 100%. Let's give height 2 pixel. We don't need the lot of bigger lines. Let's give top 0 and left minus 100%. I'll show you why, because it will come from this side and go with this side, so that's why we need it. Let's give background linear gradient. Here we are going to use 90-degree transparent, and color is same for all. See, we got it. This will rotate like this. So these lines we need to manage in a, when hover it will go like from this top to this right top, left top to right top. This is the first span tag, so we need to manage that now. So for that we need some animation. Now let's create keyframe for the animation. Keyframes button anim 1, and you can give any kind of name here. So I just give the span tag, this was the span 1, so you can give any name here. So I just give the button anim 1 because this was the first line, so we need to manage that. So when the 0% is here, it will go this left to right. This is left -1. Okay, so it will be the left -100, left -100%, and when 50% will done, 50 or 100%, left 100%. So this was the -100, so that's why this is the -100 here, and left it will start from this. You will understand after giving the animation. So here inside we have to give the animation, because this keyframes there is no reference right now, so give the reference animation. So whatever keyframe button 1 we have given this name, copy and paste it here. The name should be the same here, so it will apply the animation. So give it like a 1 second, it will go like 1 second, and linear, and it is like infinite. So save. Now you will see, after saving, now you will see it will go like this line will be go left to right. Now see, you can see it's going really great now. So we have given everything right, but these lines are not hidden. So for that we just wanted from this left corner to the right corner, we just want to display there. We don't want here and this side. So for that we need to just give the overflow property inside the anchor tag. This is the anchor tag, so here we need to give the overflow hidden, and now let's save. It will be hidden, so see, it will be gone from this here. We just want it from here. So that's how to hide the unnecessary part, that overflow. That's why we need the overflow hidden property. So we have done for the nth child 1, so we are going to do similar same thing to the all 3 span tag, similar things. So this is going to left to right. Now we need to top to bottom, so like this. So let's create for that. So again we're going to use the span, and then nth child, this is for the second child, and let's give it top. This time we're going to use 100%, right 0, width same, let's give 2 pixel. Here width is 2 pixel because this is going to top to bottom, so that's why. And height we need 100%. That's the thing, you need to be careful when you are giving the child. So we have given here width 100% and height 2 pixel. So for the second child we need to manage that vertical line, so that's why we have given the height 100%. Let's give background linear gradient. Here we are going to use 180 degree. Before we use for the first span we use 90 degree, so we are going to here use 180 degree transparent, and the color is same because the gold color is the same. So here also we need keyframe. Let's give name button animation 2 for 0%, top -100, then 50% to 100%. Let's give top 100%. This is the only thing you have to manage in correct way. So inside the spam tag, so let's give animation button anim 2. This is also 1 second. It will go like a top to bottom, linear and infinite. Save this file and see, we got it. But we want when this horizontal line finish here, then top to bottom the vertical line will be go. So here we have to give another animation delay property. For that we have to use animation delay property in CSS. Animation delay property, let's delay like a 0.25 second. Now see, when this line finish here, then the top to bottom is going. Now that's managed. So this is the thing we have to manage it, in that nothing else. So I'm gonna copy the third and fourth child, so just copy. I'm just gonna change the name. This is third, this is also third. Just look here, for third we don't need the top, we need bottom, and bottom is 0, right is -100%, And width is same, the first span we have given like that 100%, and then height is 2 pixel. And here again we need to do the 180 degree, not 180 degree, we just need to 90 degree. 1 second, let's save this file. Oh, we have to give the animation name. Here for the 0% we don't need the top. This is the thing we have to manage, minus, and this one is also right, not the top. So that's the thing we have to manage. So let's save this file and see. Is this getting little delayed animation after this vertical line finish here? Then this bottom line should start. So we just need to manage the seconds. Let's give it 20 seconds. Oh no, little still we need to reduce 10 seconds. No, just give 5 seconds. Yeah, that's the correct. It's getting correctly. So that's the thing we have to manage. And again same for the fourth span tag. Let's copy and just paste it. I'm just gonna paste it here this because there is nothing, just span tag name change. This is animation 4. This is also we need to change 4. And for the fourth span tag, it is not top, it is a bottom minus 100. That's right. And then lay, we don't need the right, we need left 0. And width also we need 100%. Width is 2 pixel. Width we don't need the 100%, we just need 2 pixel. And height is 100%. And let's give 360 degree here. Everything is same. And then we already changed the name, so here we need to change it. This is not top, this is bottom, and this one is also bottom. Save this file and see it, and see this is. So we just need to manage the animation delay time. When this bottom line finish here, it will, then this bottom to top line will start. So for that I think should we reduce 10 second. Okay, 5 second. No, it is going early. Okay, we just need a 65 second or little 70 second, 0.70, or still just a little. So 75. Yeah, now it's all looking great now. So that's it, we have done now. It's looking great now. So that's it guys, this is how to create this glowing gold button, gold color button. This is really looking good, really attractive button. So now you will know how to do. This is the whole code, like 100 line CSS code, not that much. This is only CSS code, there is no HTML code. Here we just need the span tag and anchor tag, nothing else. So let's give the OctaCoder link. Just copy that link and gonna paste it here. Save this file. So if you want to learn more about how to create the glowing button, so just go to the OctaCoder YouTube channel. Here you will see I have already uploaded the create a stunning glowing button video, this 4-minute video. So step by step whole guide I have already given, so you can watch this video also, and you can also check other videos also for the basic HTML, how to convert image into link, how to give correct path. So you can check all those videos on OctaCoder YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. So that's it, that's how to create this glowing gold color button. Now you know how to learn. Now you can create in different colors. So learn the way, create your own way. That's the OctaCoder tagline. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with the OctaCoder.